If you're trying to connect your Hisense AC to Wi-Fi in 2025 and nothing seems to work, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the entire setup step by step, and by the end, your AC will be fully controllable from your phone. Before we start, make sure your Hisense AC actually supports Wi-Fi. Check the model number on your unit or in the manual. And one important thing, Hisense ACs only connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5 GHz, so double check your router settings. Have your Wi-Fi name and password ready. Next, download the Connect Life app. If you're using an iPhone, grab it from the App Store. Android users can get it from the Play Store. Once installed, log in or create a quick account. Now turn on your AC and keep it in standby mode. You need to put it into pairing mode. Most models do this by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button on the remote. Some may require pressing a combo like Mode plus Fan. Hold it until the Wi-Fi light starts blinking. That means it's ready to connect. Open the Connect Life app, tap the plus icon or add device, then select air conditioner. The app will guide you through the steps. Choose your 2.4 GHz network. Enter the password and let the app search for your unit. Once it finds your AC, it will automatically pair. After that, you can give your AC a name and finish the setup. From here, you can control temperature, modes, and fan speed from anywhere using your phone. You can also schedule cooling times, set alerts, and even use additional smart home features depending on your model. A few quick tips. Make sure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz network during setup. Keep your phone and the AC close to your router for the first connection. If it fails, restart the AC and try again. And temporarily turning off VPNs or strong firewalls can help avoid pairing issues. Once everything is connected, you'll have full smart control and energy-saving features at your fingertips. No need to touch the remote again. Thanks for watching and enjoy your smarter, more convenient Hisense AC experience.